Guys, I feel hungry.
Oh my god! I lost near about 1 kg in 24 hours.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Fati and this is my first vlog. Guys, I am going to try something little crazy. I am going to try boiled potato day. That sounds crazy, but yeah, me and boiled potato for 24 hours. So I am going to try it and I will share everything with you. So let's go.
We will start our day with glass of hot water. After half an hour, it's tea time.
Two hours later.
No oil, no butter, only potato and little zira and a small bowl of curd.
3 hours later.
Guys, I feel hungry. It is 3 o'clock now. And I feel I miss the flavors, and my mind is telling me you want to eat noodles, spicy momos. It's really hard, but I am saying to myself, no, you can do it, and don't give up. So please, I'm struggling. Give me like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
In night, I am taking some vitamins like multivitamin and omega-3. It is very important in this diet.
Guys, it's night now. I'm going to sleep, and it was really a hard day. I miss the flavors, I miss the food, and I drink a lot of water. So now I'm going to sleep. We will meet tomorrow morning and we will see it's really at work or not. Good night.
Oh my god! I lost near about 1 kg in 24 hours. That sounds crazy, but really it happened. I was having doubt and I was feeling scared. No, boiled potato, maybe it will make me more fat, but no! It worked. It was a little hard day. I was miss the flavors and all, and I was smelling food and imagining. But it's okay, it did happen, and I am going to continue for 3 days. Wow. We will lose more kgs. So hope you like my video, and now we reach the ending. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if anyone he have any good dieting, tell me in comments or send me a message on my Instagram is down. So don't forget. Bye.